Hello and welcome. Today we are looking at how to solve simultaneous equations using matrix methods. We have two methods to do this. The first one is Cramer's rule. The second one is inverse method. For this lesson, we will be looking at Cramer's rule. We're using these equations: 2x minus 3y equals 12, and then 3x plus 2y equals 22, solving for x and y. The first thing you do is to write the equation in matrix form. Just take as it is 2, 3, negative 3, 2, then write x, y equals 12, 22. Now, how do you get x? You get x by delta x over delta a. What is delta x? Pay attention here. So this side we've named it a. In the right hand side of the equation, we've named it b. You take the elements in b, 12, 22, write them down, and then you write the remaining elements of a, negative 3 and 2. And then you look for the determinant. We've already looked at how to get the determinant in previous videos. So if you're new here and you don't know how to get a determinant, probably you can just go back to the video and familiarize yourself with that. How do you get delta b? Delta b is the determinant, delta a is the determinant of matrix A, right here. We've just named it so that it becomes easier. So you write the matrix as it is, and then you look for the determinant. So how do you look for the determinant? Remember, you multiply these elements. 12 times 2 minus 22 times negative 3. That is how you get the determinant. How do you get the determinant again for the delta A? That will be 2 times 2. You subtract 3 times negative 3. Okay? Now 12 times 2 minus 22 times negative 3, that's 90. That's 4 minus negative. That is not negative actually. That's 13. Okay? That's 13. And then, because there's division sign, so x will be 90 over 13. It is that easy. Just with practice, of course, it gets easier. Now let's do y so that you're able to understand better. How do you look for y? Y is delta y over delta a. How do you get delta y? The same delta y. The same thing we did to get delta x. Now, instead of replacing with the first column, you replace with the second column. So we're going to write the first column just as it is, and then the second column we replace with the right hand side, or rather b, 22, and then you get the determinant. Delta a is the same as for x. It's 2, 3, negative 3, 2. You get the determinant. Of course, that one we've already done. Yes. So to get the determinant, you multiply 2 times 22 minus 3 times 12. Okay. That should be 8. And then the other one is the same, but let's just write it down. Remember, you're multiplying the top left to bottom right diagonal, subtracting bottom left to top right diagonal, minus 3 times negative 3. That's 13. We established that earlier. So y equals 8 over 13. Okay, now for us to know whether we are correct, we're going to replace the answers we found in the first equation. Let's just take the first equation, which was 2x plus 3y equals 12. Now x is 90 over 13. We calculated that, so 2 times 90 over 13 minus y is 8 over 13. 3 times 8 over 13. What's the answer for that? Let's get that. That's 13.846 minus 1.846, which is 12. Which means we are correct. So just practice. This is quite easy. Practice makes it easy. Watch this as many times as you need to. Practice with other examples and you will get there. Now, thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel. It's a new channel. We'd really appreciate your support. If you have any question or comment, please leave it in the comment section down below and I will get back to you. Thank you and God bless.